Oh, if you're an old country boy, you like to hear the rain on the roof, so tin's good. They both work well because now with insulation and all that sort of stuff in the ceiling area, it really doesn't matter. I notice a lot of the roof manufacturing companies have got a problem with their ColourBond. You'll notice a lot of the ColourBond colours are all different shades as the paint wears out over a period of time. So it's either not been sprayed properly and treated properly, or there's an issue with the surface breaking down and causing the paint to come off it. But you can see a few properties have got lovely green roofs, and in 10 years' time you look at it and they're all two shades of green. Yeah, so either are both are good. It just depends on your preference. Most of the product that we use in our construction industry in Queensland, or in Australia now, is fairly tolerant to hail damage and that sort of thing. However, you can have some pretty fierce storms come through and they can do some damage. We had a storm go through here about 10 years ago, or 2011 it was. The hail was so hard that it damaged the two utes out on the front of the garage, and the garage door was dented, and it's about 6mm steel. So the hail can be quite damaging. So that under those circumstances, not much will stand up to it. Our tile roofs won't stand up to it. But generally, it's very good. The product we use in this country is quite good. But again, you have a heavy storm go through, there's not much you can do about it. When a cyclone comes through, it'll rip your roof off if it's not been put on properly. And even when it's been put on properly, it'll do a lot of damage.